Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to fix another problem of Android Studio project. But before we proceed our video, let me remind you one thing, that if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. In this way you will get the notification of my next video and I will get the support to make more videos on Android topic. Let's move to our main topic. When you open an old Android Studio project that you haven't used or opened for a long time, then you get this error message: could not initialize class org.codehaus blah 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 blah, and your project refused to start. If you get this error, then don't worry. Solution to this problem is very simple. Just carefully note down all the steps to solve this problem. First, open that project where you are getting this error message. I have this project where I am facing this error message. Second step is open any Android Studio project that you are currently working on or you have recently created. If you don't have any project, then you can create a new project. I have made this new project. After finishing its build process, then simple in Android, under Android you will get two folders, app and Gradle script. Simply go to Gradle script, expand it, and the third file, Gradle wrapper.properties. Gradle wrapper.properties, or anywhere in this Gradle script, open this file and the last line, copy this line. Okay. Press Ctrl+C and again go to your that project where you are getting error message, and this one same here. You will find two folder, app and Gradle script. Go to same Gradle script, then Gradle wrapper properties file, and you can see the difference, and paste that line we have copied from our newly created project and paste here at this line, from this to slash to end zip. Paste here and then try again. Or if you don't get this line here, then you can simply go to this symbol and sync project with Gradle files. You can also go there and press it, and I will go there, try again, and it will again build the project. It will take some time to rebuild the project, then don't worry. And that's it. As you can see, we have successfully solved our problem. Hope you have also solved your problem. If not, or you are facing any other problems, then you can ask me in comment section. Meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.